Hi everyone. So in this video, I will be talking about Accenture interview experience. And in this video, I'm talking about a Accenture interview experience, which I told you previously that in 20 to 30% cases, there can be some technical questions. Okay. So this interview experience, which I am sharing with you, this experience was shared by a candidate last year with me. And in this interview, actually the interviewer asked technical questions. So let me give you the idea of the interview and let's start. Okay. So this interview experience was for last year. So first they started with the introduction only. Okay. They started with the introduction only. Then interviewer actually jumped to the resume which you have uploaded in your portal. Okay. So he jumped onto the resume which you have uploaded on the portal, and he started asking which is your favorite programming language. Okay, which is your favorite programming language? After that, he started asking the question related to the programming language only. Okay, so the candidate was comfortable in C++, so he asked about the pointers in C++, like basic things about pointers. Then he asked about some OOPS questions. Okay, OOPS questions, like he asked about the four pillars of OOPS. Then some definitions and examples. Definition and example. This kind of basic question he asked. After that, he asked question from SQL. So SQL questions, one was the query. He asked to open the notepad, and on the notepad or whatever on the screen, he need to type the query. Type the query. Again, the query was easy only, not so much difficult. Easy query was there only. Okay. Then he started discussion about the projects about the projects. Now, the important thing is the project was on machine learning. So he asked some technical details about the project, technical details like how you perform the data cleaning, okay, how you filled the data either with mean, mod, median, and in which situation you will prefer mean, in which situation you will prefer mod, and in which situation you will prefer median. After that, the discussion started around the project. Okay, overall discussion like use cases of machine learning in real where you can use machine learning. Okay, this kind of discussion. And the candidate told me that from this question actually it was a kind of discussion about the advantages and disadvantages of doing automations and machine learning. Okay, so it was around 5 to 7 minute discussion with the interviewer, like he was expressing his thoughts and the candidate was expressing his thoughts. So this kind of discussion were there. After that, he asked about the challenges in the project. After that, he just asked 4 to 5 situational question, like if your teammate is sick, what will you do? Suppose if you are not present at the day of presentation, what will you do? How you will handle an angry client? So this kind of situational question he asked. Okay, and that's it. Why you want to join Accenture? This kind of question is strength, weakness. This kind of interview was there. Okay, so this was the interview where I found like I found out some find out some technical question. That's why I shared it, because in 60 to 70% interviews it is behavior question and projects and behavior question, plus they can ask easy questions, okay, from technical. But in this interview I found out I like find I think this interview is a little bit different. That's why I shared this. Okay, if you want to prepare for your Accenture interview, you will get the crack interview notes link in the description. Okay, in which you will be getting the interview notes. You can use it for Accenture or for any other company. Okay, you will be getting the full collection of the interview notes, and this sheet you can use basically for your quick preparation. It is only a 92 pages sheet. Apart from this, you will be getting a separate notes for every subject. Okay, the link will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching.